How to make passive income. All right, let me keep it real with you. There are tons of ways to create passive income online. But in this video, I'm about to drop a super simple method that anyone can do. Seriously, the big question is, are you ready to put in just 2 hours a day to make it happen? That's it, just 2 hours, and you could be raking in $1,000. No joke. So, listen closely, and make sure you follow through. We're talking about making money with blogs here. Before I get into the details, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you don't miss out on any step-by-step guides on how to build passive income. Now, if you're wondering how to start making money online with a blog, stick around till the end. There are loads of ways to monetize once you've got traffic coming in. But when you're just getting started, you might not have a huge audience. That's cool, though. What matters is making sure those first-time readers become repeat visitors. That's how you'll build a strong following, and when you've got that, well, that's when you can really start cashing in. All right, let's break it down in a way that's easy, real, and maybe gives you a little chuckle. So, how do you stay in touch with your readers? Well, the easiest and smartest move is to ask for their email. Yep, get them to hand it over early, right when they first visit your blog. Why? Because building up a big ol' email list is like having a direct line to your audience whenever you've got something to say or sell, wink wink. Ever notice how nearly every website you visit wants your email? There's a reason for that. In the marketing world, we say the money's in the list. And that's not just some catchy phrase. It's because your email list lets you reach out to people multiple times. Every time you hit them with an email, you can share your latest blog post, offer a product, or just remind them to visit your site, which helps you make ad money. Big companies like Groupon? Yeah, they do this all the time with their daily and weekly deals. Now, once you've got a steady stream of readers coming in, you can focus on making bank from your blog. One of the easiest, and let's be real, most profitable ways to do that is through ads. The more visitors your blog has, the more advertisers will pay to get their ads in front of your audience. The easiest way to get started is with Google's AdSense program. You sign up, get a little code, slap it on your blog, and boom, ads will automatically start showing up. You might see ads from smaller companies related to your blog's topic, or you could even get ads from big brands that don't relate at all. Either way, you're getting paid just for letting them be there. See? It's not rocket science, but it does take a little setup, too. So get those emails, build that list, and let Google do the heavy lifting with the ads. Easy peasy. All right, let me break this down for you in the simplest way possible. The beauty of Google AdSense? It's basically like having thousands of advertisers fighting to get on your blog. And all you have to do is pop a little code in there. Once you've done that, the whole thing runs on autopilot. Seriously, sit back and let it work. Here's how it gets even better. Every time someone clicks on one of those ads, you get paid. Google collects the cash from the advertisers and sends you a nice check or deposit every month. It's like magic, except it's real. And it's from a company you can trust to pay on time. Now, how much you can make with AdSense comes down to 3 big things. Traffic to your blog. This one's a no-brainer. The more people you've got coming to your site, the more chances they have to click on an ad, and the more money you make. Ad placement and visibility. When you add the AdSense code, you get to choose how big the ads are and where they show up. The more visible they are, the more likely people are to click them. Nuts. But here's the catch. You don't want your blog looking like a giant billboard where readers get annoyed and leave. It's a balancing act, and you'll need to test it out to get the sweet spot. Your blog's niche. This one's important. Some topics just pay better. For example, if your blog is about golf, where your audience likely has money to spend, advertisers are going to pay more to be seen by your readers. Compare that to a blog about, say, Justin Bieber, where your readers might be teens without much buying power. And the advertisers won't pay as much for each click. Put these 3 factors together, and your earnings can vary widely. Some bloggers are pulling in thousands of dollars each month, while others are just getting started. In fact, some top AdSense publishers are making close to $2 million a year just from AdSense alone. But here's the thing, building up to that level doesn't happen overnight. It takes time, consistency, and putting in the work up front. That's why learning to monetize your blog is the final step in my guide. You need to get the basics right first. But trust me, the journey is worth it. So, what's next? Take action. If you've followed the steps up until now, keep going. Blogging isn't a sprint, it's a marathon. But once you start moving, you'll be amazed at where this path can take you. All right, folks, that's the scoop. Now, if you're serious about making passive income with your blog, remember, it's all about getting those emails. We're not setting up AdSense and staying consistent. But before you go, let me hit you with a real life success story to show you that this stuff works. You've probably heard of Pat Flynn, right? He's a big name in the blogging world and started just like you. By setting up a blog, he didn't start with millions of followers, but after focusing on creating valuable content and monetizing with things like ads, was affiliate marketing, and courses, he built a 7-figure business. His blog and podcast, Smart Passive Income, is now a go for entrepreneurs everywhere. If Pat can do it, and so can you. So, here's what I need you to do next. Hit that like button if you found this helpful. Subscribe so you don't miss out on future tips, and ring that bell so you get notified the second I drop new content. And hey, don't be greedy. Share this video with a friend who's ready to level up their passive income game. That's all for now. But remember, blogging is a marathon, not a sprint. The sooner you start, the closer you are to reaching your own success story. Thanks for hanging out. And I'll catch you in the next one.